In the recent days, Apple has made many big announcements about its new iPhone series. For this year, Apple announced the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus during their Far Out Apple event. These devices could easily be mistaken for their predecessors, minus the larger 6.7-inch model. Despite minimal external updates, Apple pushed these base models forward with several user-facing updates and quality-of-life improvements. The iPhone 14 Pro lineup saw more significant changes that widened the gap between Pro and base models, but customers have a clear through line for features and prices from top to bottom. Apple has continued the approach of offering identical feature sets across models in the same device class. Therefore, there are no exclusive features for the larger iPhone 14 Plus, besides the display size and battery life. Note that there isn't an iPhone mini in this generation. The 5.4-inch display size was eliminated in favor of the larger 6.7-inch model, allegedly due to a lack of demand for smaller iPhones. With the Galaxy S22 Ultra superphone, Samsung has brought back its popular Note line, in all but name, equipping it with a built-in stylus and their competition-beating camera with both 3x and 10x optical zoom. From last year's S21 Ultra, costing £1,149, $1,200/1,849 Australian dollars, it is one of the most expensive non-folding phones you can buy, but it offers features you simply can't get on other phones, and will receive at least 5 years of software updates, longer than any other Android. The S22 Ultra looks nothing like the S22 Plus or other models in the S line. Instead, the new phone updates the design of the Note 20 Ultra from 2020, complete with an S Pen stylus that neatly slots into the bottom for storage and charging. iPhone 14 Pro Max has Retina OLED screen. Samsung Galaxy S22 has dynamic AMOLED screen. Display size of iPhone 14 Pro Max is around 6.7 inches, and Galaxy S22 Ultra has screen size 6.8 inches. Screen to body ratio for iPhone 14 is 88.3%, and aspect ratio for Apple iPhone 14 is 19.5:9, and for Galaxy S22, it is around 20:9. Density of iPhone 14 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra sees a big difference. iPhone 14 Pro Max has scratch-resistant ceramic glass, and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has Corning Gorilla Glass. Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max runs Apple A16 Bionic chipset, and Galaxy S22 Ultra runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 8th generation. Resolution for Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max and Samsung is almost same, with no big differences. Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max runs on iOS 16, and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra runs on Android 12, and the camera specification has huge differences for iPhone 14 Pro Max and Galaxy S22 Ultra. The battery of Apple 14 Pro Max is 4652, and Galaxy S22 Ultra has 5000 battery, and both the smartphones support fast charging, with difference in rate of charging. Here, Galaxy S22 Ultra is faster than iPhone 24 Pro Max.